So guys, I'm really happy to see you guys over here, and in this video we'll talk about comparison operators. So what actually are comparison operators, or in simple terms we'll just name it as compare.py. So what are comparison operators? So comparison operators, as the name suggests, basically compare two variables, and they are actually used to in if and else statement. They are mostly used in if and else statement. And what are if and else statement? Don't worry, I'll be teaching you guys. So first of all, let's add in three variables. So I'll just add in random variables, variable 1, 2 and 3, and give the following values 1, 2, 1 respectively. So what I'll do is I'll just compare. So how are comparison operators used? So first of all, we need to add two variables that we want to compare, and you can actually add in a variable to compare the same, and comparison operators will actually tell you if two variables are similar, and this sign is the exclamation mark, and equal to sign will tell if they are not similar. So if they are not similar, then the value will be true. So let's just run the command. Let me just go to run as Python run, and as you can see, we don't have any output, but the command or the code is executed. So let's just add a print statement in front of the command and again run the code, and you will notice that we have output as true and false. So yes, these two are not true, so as you can see, and this and the second one are true. So again we'll have a false statement, and again let's add in 3 equal to 2, and let's run this, and as you can see, we get an output as false, true, false. So basically it is telling us if they are true, if the line is true or not. And in the line we have comparison operators, which is comparing both the variables if they are same or not. As you can see, 1 and 3 are same, that is the value is 1 and 1, so it will give us a statement as true. So I hope this is kind of confusing to explain, but this is how it works. And if and else statements are actually same, but we won't be executing or taking a deep look into if and else statement, just a basic to clear out all your logical questions on all your logic. So how if and else statement works? So as the name suggests, if and else statement is quite simple to understand, but if your logic is strong, then you will be able to understand it. So what is if statement? If statement will basically execute the code below it once the statement is true. So if this is true, then it will execute the next line, or else it will not execute the next line. So in Python, if and else statement are different, and you can add in various things are available in Python actually. And in case you are programming in C# or C++, if and else statement are somewhat similar to this. So what is if and else statement? Just a second, I'll just write down all the code and I'll explain you. So in if and else statement, we are just taking a look at the basics. So if the value is true, then it will execute the line number 10. If this is true, then it will execute this, or else it will execute this, and it will move to the 15th line. So this is how it works.